attachment. Between the termination of the vertebral column and the anus, the two pubococcygeae muscles come together and form a thick fibromuscular layer lying on the raphe formed by the iliococcygeae. Peter Thompson. The greater part of this muscle is inserted into the coccyx and into the last one or two pieces of the sacrum. This insertion into the vertebral column is, however, not admitted by all observers. The fibers which form a sling for the rectum are named the pubo-rectalis, or sphincter recti. They arise from the lower part of the symphysis pubis, and from the superior fascia of the urogenital diaphragm. They meet with the corresponding fibers of the opposite side around the lower part of the rectum, and form for it a strong sling. Nerve supply. The levator ani is supplied by a branch from the fourth sacral nerve, and by a branch which is sometimes derived from the perineal, sometimes from the inferior hemorrhoidal division of the pudendal nerve. The coccygus is situated behind the preceding. It is a triangular plane of muscular and tendinous fibers, arising, by its apex, from the spine of the ischium and sacrospinous ligament, and inserted, by its base, into the margin of the coccyx, and into the side of the lowest piece of the sacrum. It assists the levator ani and piriformis in closing in the back part of the outlet of the pelvis. Nerve supply. The coccygus is supplied by a branch from the fourth and fifth sacral nerves. Actions. The levatores ani constrict the lower end of the rectum and vagina. They elevate and invert the lower end of the rectum after it has been protruded and everted during the expulsion of the feces. They are also muscles of forced expiration. The coccygeae pull forward and support the coccyx after it has been pressed backward during defecation or parturition. The levatores ani and coccygeae together form a muscular diaphragm which supports the pelvic viscera. End of section 40.